finally moved everything to the new place.
Auntie?
I finally moved everything to the new place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
Why is it your moves?
Yep.
We were not having rain.
It's white.
It's what?
Why?
White.
The house? Yeah, everything here is white.
Yes, unapenda white.
I know. I'm not complaining.
Maybe because you are white.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
The house is not bad.
I mean, the view isn't bad. It's not the ocean, but it's not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, it is all good,
And also, it's cheaper and bigger.
but not cheap at 29.
It's cheap. No, the other place was 31.
Yeah.
Look, there's nothing to look at.
Eh?
There's a big wall, and then that's all I can look at.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see the building, that one, but that's all.
I see the car too.
Yeah, there's a
The
bridge.
cars.
It's a bridge right there.
So now kitanda haujapata lakini.
It's coming in like 10 minutes.
Oh.
They have mattress. They have bed.
No.
It's sleeping on the airbed now. I think the whole body is hurting.
The whole everything is pain. Oh my god, this is so hungry. Last time I set this up, my brother helped me, so I hope I'll be able to do it by myself this time. This is why it's heavy. Big boy. Ah, I did it upside down. I did it upside down. It's supposed to be this way. Oh. I can't believe that happened. But I'm gonna have to ask them to fix this immediately because I will not. I can't stand it already. It's very bothering me. I'm gonna have to ask them to fix it. Oh my god. Okay, this should stay upright. I cannot believe that actually worked. I'm Surprised. Can't be like the national work. Good job, Brain. Good job. There we go. Oh, that feels good. So good. Oh. Let me guess. You have to go to work.
It's ridiculous if I get there like at 9 and I have to leave at 11.
Oh, you're leaving at 11. I thought it was like, oh, it's not overnight.
So the nurse is going to stay.
You should buy her the cups with the straws.
What?
You should buy her the sippy cup with straws so she can drink it without having to flip it over. Because she can't flip it or tilt it. No. The rest of this place is literally a mess, but I am so tired. That's gonna have to wait until tomorrow. It's gonna have to wait. I'm so excited. Okay, okay. Oh, it's so pretty. This goes here, this, and then this goes up here. Ah, it's so pretty. Wait to use this for tea. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is a nice part. That's so healthy. I feel like that's too big. I was expecting it to be that size. Oh, maybe I should get the small one. No, it's fine.